Hello friends, I'm Shital and welcome back to my channel Shitalsartwork. In today's video, we are going to paint these beautiful blue flowers. These are the materials which I have used to paint these flowers, and now let's start painting. Start by making a shell stroke. If you are a beginner, practice the basic strokes properly. I have uploaded many videos on basic strokes, including explanatory videos. Please go through those videos and practice the basic strokes properly, and then only move on to the final flowers. Now add few more shell strokes to make a circle. Load the brush after 2-3 strokes. You can watch my video how to load different types of brushes. And if you not get the perfect stroke for the first time, you can always repeat your strokes. Now we'll make another flower. So first I am making the outer petals and then we'll move on to the inner part of the flower. We'll move from darker shades to the lighter shades. Here I can see the edges of the petals are not sharp, so I am repeating my strokes once again. Now adding one more flower using the same stroke and loading my brush after 2-3 strokes. I am always using water to keep my brushes and paint moist. Now painting the inner petals. For this I have used a little lighter shade as compared to the color which I have used to paint the outer petals. Now let's paint the center of the flower, for which I am using a shade which is little lighter than the shade which I have used to paint the second layer of the flower. This is the U stroke and it is commonly used to paint rose and many other flowers. You can check my playlist Rose and Rosebuds, where you will find all the basic strokes which are needed to paint the rose and rosebuds. Here I am using flat brush to paint this rose, but you can also use angle brush. Now let's quickly paint the remaining flowers. If you are visiting for the first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And also, if you have any problem or questions related to this video, please feel free to ask me anytime. Here I am not showing how to load the brush, as in many of my previous videos I have shown clearly how to load brush. So here I am skipping that part. So here I have completed few roses and buds, and now it's time to add few leaves. You can check my playlist leaves where I have shown different types of leaves and also my explanatory video on 35 types of leaves. So it's very important to practice the basic strokes. Now I am using a smaller brush and adding calyx to the buds. You can also find how to add calyx to the buds in my playlist Rose Buds and Rose. Now adding few small leaves.